Morning viewers. Today I just want to give my thoughts and views about the Polo Vivo, especially the 1.4.6 to the problems that people encounter when it is small car. Just to give a review of these cars, if you can, uh, they are usually having a rattle sound when you start in the morning. For weekends, they need to be quiet and idle smoother. So what happens actually with these models is that VWs, I think they have made a mistake when it comes to this car. Not actually a mistake, but I can say a service problem, whereby they use their own oil, which is not of a good quality, according to my observation. Because when you use the VW oil, the one that says VW on the branded box, I'm gonna give you an example of what kind of an oil I'm talking about. Uh, this kind of oil from VW, it's specifically made for VW cars by VW. This one belongs to the Polo. This model, the Polo 6 and the 6C, they actually use this type of oil. A little bit of a problem because of the quality that is used on these models of a car. Started in the model, it will rattle a little bit. I have came to understand that liquid moly is a better oil with a higher standard when it comes to lubricants. You can start your car in the morning and it won't give you a rattle sound, and immediately it gives you a rattle sound for several days. I think I recommend that one, a timing chain, so that the car can be able much better and not cause any damage to the car. So for Polo 6 drivers and the Polo Vivo drivers, the 1.4s and the 1.6, I will say the better oil to use, it's liquid moly. Do not use the VW branded oil, which I think is not of a it's not of a good quality, it's of a poor quality. Most of you guys might have experienced a similar problem like myself, of having a rattle sound in the morning, and I had to change the timing chain completely and bought a new timing chain kit from VW, the genuine one. Then I had to go to mechanic, the special one, the one who knows VW. And then I didn't go directly to the VWs because of the cost. Then I minimized the cost and went to someone who knows the job and can do a better job with a reasonable amount. So yes, this is my Polo Vivo. That are the problems that I've encountered so far. The car is reliable, but the only problem that you can experience with it is only the rattle sound in the morning when you don't use a quality oil. So I will recommend to everyone to buy a quality oil. This is my daily. I use it. I just fitted a sound on it uh, so that I can enjoy the car. I fitted my own sound, the JBL, with some ice power amplifiers, and I also added the capacitor just to give it a boost when it comes to power. I took out my mag wheels, just I wanted to experience the standard. I took out the BBS concave, the deep one, the deep dish. So yeah, that's what I can give you an update and review, just to assist some of you guys who are driving the similar car or the Polo 6 1.4 1.6. You might be experiencing the rattle sound. What I can recommend for you before you damage your timing chain, buy a new oil, liquid moly oil, then your car will be fine and will last longer. Otherwise, you will damage your chain if you still continue using the VW branded oil, the one that I've showed you in the container. I don't know whether it's happening only in South Africa where VW is selling their own oil. This one is written VW Volkswagen Group Special E10W40 for the models of Polo Vivo, these ones. So yeah, you might not be experiencing the sound, but as time goes by and you use the same liquid oil, it might give you the same problem. So yeah, that's my take on that one. I stand to be corrected for those who know more better than myself, but that's what I have encountered and experienced so far. So yeah, you can give your comments and everything below. Yeah, I'm able to take any comments, suggestion as to how to go about to fix the problem. Yeah. Uh, that's all I can say on my side. Any review, any comments from your side to your experiences when it comes to this type of models?